Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better.
Hello my jelly bean and gingerbread. Today is the day after Matthias passed, and this is what it has done to our backyard. As you can see, mango tree, everything, you know, jelly tree. Not too much damage, just the trees them, you know. Spare the garden, spare the garden, but it tear out the mango tree. Don't bear, so this tree is kind of useless. It doesn't bear, so we don't get any mango off it. So Mattia could have just take the entire tree and go with it, but we're safe. We're kind of getting the outer bands of the hurricane now, so most of the wind and no rain. We get a little bit of rain, little to no rain we get last night. So you know, so but still, you know, if I watch it. Oh, what was that? Let me see what time it is right now. It's 11:08 a.m. So I think it's in Orlando right now. But that's what, say, it break out right there at the tree. So it tear away the tree right there, and the limb and everything is over the neighbor yard. And this is our side. So you can see the window, the storm shutters them, and our orange tree, everything. So journey with me in the little backyard. So these limbs and stuff, so a lot of work to be done. I have to move these out. What you say, grandma? What you say? Alright, here I come. So I'm gonna start pull them out, go around at the front. But so far so good. Everybody is okay. Neighbors and everybody alright. So we're going to get those done and stuff. We're cooking as well. We're cooking on the little burner outside. A coal stove we call it back in Jamaica. Cause you know hurricane you have to have cooked food. So cooking up the rice right now. So the rice steaming on the little grill right there. So we have to get hot meal. You understand? The electricity is gone, so we don't have a stove to use, so we have to use this right here. And it's alright, you know, cooking up the rice and thing. I have to get hot food in the stomach, in the big belly. Well yeah, that's what you guys will see. You know, the aftermath of the hurricane. It wasn't bad. So I won't exaggerate and say, oh, Mateo was bad and we're flooded out. No, it wasn't. Mateo just come and blew off a couple trees. And that's about it. You know, a couple leaves and stuff. And you take away the light though. The light is very important. The light and the internet. Let me see around at the back here. So the rice are going to cook a little bit. Even though we have a problem with the whole. So yeah, that's about it. But so far so good. You know, everything alright. The people clearing up there. Let me zoom in on those folks down the road. Some people, as you can see, they're clearing up and they're carrying out the trees and stuff like that. So they're working hard. So that's the neighborhood pretty much. Not much work being done, as you can see, there's leaves and stuff like that. So yeah, it's going alright. So get that zoom. See grandma right there. So Alright. Doggy there. Neighbor pool. So, yeah. So Hurricane Matthew pass. We're safe. Everything alright so far. Cooking up and things same way. Grandma, you have the spoon? Grandma! I get the spoon to stir the rice. Grandma, you have the spoon? Now the house dark, so you can hardly see anything in the house. No electricity. I hope everybody alright still. And thing. So come. So, I think you guys see what going on in the pot right now. Zoom it, focus a little. So right now we're stirring the pot, as you can see. Cooking up. Steaming the rice. You understand? Something. Give me a little spoon, man. You want more water? Yeah, it's hard. You want more water? So, yeah, Jamaican style. Cooking up and thing. Cook up fish. Grandma cook up the fish, not me. Grandma cook up the fish, but don't know me. I monitor the rice and thing. Never charge up my phone after this because the battery is really low. And you guys probably get this probably 2-3 days from now when the light come out. Whenever the light come out, then I upload because everything in the house is dry. I don't have any problem with any flooding or anything like that. There's hardly any water. The ground is just damped. That's as far as it gets where the hurricane is concerned. So, you know, Matthew Pass, recovering, no damage or anything. So everybody is safe pretty much. So, yeah. Thanks be to God. So thanks again for watching JVLOGS. I hope everybody alright. Keep safe if you're in the line of the hurricane or anything like that. Thanks to all the new subscribers. Somebody subscribed again yesterday. So you guys, you know, supporting the channel, and I really appreciate that. Thanks for watching JVLOGS. I'm going to finish clean up the yard and stuff like that. Yeah, man, we'll ship it already. Alright, guys, later.
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay.